Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how you can make your Big Cartel website look good. For this, first go to mybigcartel.com and log into your account. If you didn't have one, just create a new one. It's free. For this, now what you have to do after logging in, from upper section, select account here. Then scroll down and look for go to shop designer. Click on it. Then you will be redirected your website page. So for it's your shop here. You can if you select change card style, then you will be able to change your title, your classic, your title style. Totally you can change your preset style. You can also change your font, secondary font, and color palette style from here. Then there you can also change navigation and layout of your site, logo image, menu style, product menu, drop down text, custom message, also footer text. Also you can change home page style. You can create a slideshow with image. You can set a welcome text. Slide. You can also manage slideshow speed. Then you can also product page, manage product page, how it will show. Then there are many options to recreate. You can add also social media link. If you go to pages, then you can add many more pages here. Then you can add code here. You can add integration code. You can edit your template code. Then in the last you will see your current template, and you can change many more template here. You can change it from here. So if you just select switch template, it will be switched to another template from here. So and after editing everything, and if you are satisfied, then select publish from here, and it will be saved in your way, how you want to set it up. And that's it. That's how you can make your Big Cartel website looks good in your way. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to give a like.